Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your auto screen rotation nut isn't working on iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, check the rotation control in the control center. Swipe it down from the top right corner of your screen, and you should be able to see the auto rotation lock icon right here. If it's disabled, so if it's not colored, then your auto rotation should be working properly. If you don't see this control right here, tap the plus icon, add a control, and select auto rotation control somewhere here. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find it real quick. Here we have it. Now, if this feature is disabled, your auto rotation should be working as you are tilting your display. And if it's not, then first of all, I recommend checking for updates. Go to settings, make sure that your device is updated. Make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to general, go to software update. Check whether you have any available updates on this page. If you don't, then simply restart your tablet. Hold down these two buttons simultaneously. Slide to power off. Give your tablet like 5 seconds to shut down completely, and then power it back on by holding down the power button by itself until the Apple logo appears on your screen. After performing all of these actions, your issue should be resolved. And if you're still experiencing any kind of issues like that, you should definitely reach out to Apple customer support service, especially if your device is on warranty, because this might be a hardware issue, and in such case it can only be fixed via the repair in the official service center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.